Yes, welcome back to day 2 of the gearbox refit. Shane and Darren did a great job yesterday, obviously, putting the box back in. So we'll take a quick look. So the box is all buttoned up now, so it's a case of get the drive shaft on, prop shaft, 3 bolts on there, and then get the subframe put back in, put the wheels back on, and then see if it'll run. So time to get underneath the car and get this propeller shaft connected. And back in with the subframe. What? I still keep forgetting what that bloody thing's called. A vacuum pump, that's the one. Who's a clever boy? So, once Shane's finished up with that, put the steering rack back on the subframe, tighten up these ball joints on both sides, and then connect the anti-roll bar and then put the wheels on. So all in all, it's not a million miles away, and yeah, we'll see. Didn't want to line up, that one did it. Not letting you put me in that easy. Yeah, funny. That one. Yeah, that bit of movement there. There we go. So at this moment in time, we're not far off now. Dog bones on, subframe's all done. We've got the wheels on. Put some water in it for now, and I'll drain that and put some proper fluid in, but just to see if it'll move essentially. So tidy up. Drop it down. And then see if it drives. So that's it, car's on the ground. So in the end, still not got my rear plate on yet, but let's see if it'll move first. That'll help, won't it? So first turn of the key since we did the box. So look. I'm joking. Wouldn't you know it, flat battery. So luckily Shane's brought a booster pack. Let's give it another go. So it's running, got no flashing lights, so that's good. Got no engine management light, that's gone as well. All in all, we're doing alright. So now time for a nice little road trip. VCDS checked out. It came up with the MECATRONIC as a fault. So cleared the codes, ran the report again, and all clear, no faults. So good to go. So let's see if reverse still works. Oops, boot's open. That's it. Boot's closed now. Try again. And we're in reverse. And away we go. That's it. So I have no idea why that keeps coming back on, but I think it's because it's been off for 8-10 months, whatever it is. But we're good to go. Happy days. So as you can see, the car's now facing the other way around, so all the gears work so far, seems. Reverse is fine, drives fine. Just took it down the road and back. Got a ESP light on at the moment, but that might be because the car's been parked up for 9 months and hasn't moved at all. But genuinely really pleased. Seems to be working fine. The battery's a bit dead, so leaving it running. So just gonna do some VCDS checks just to see exactly what's causing the ESP light and what other wonderful error codes there are on there. But otherwise, massive thank you to Shane, Darren, Chris, and everybody that took part in getting this car back on the road. And I have to say, next is good wash, clean up, some other little bits and pieces to do, finish off the interior. But it's safe to say this car is now back on the road. Catch you on the next one.